A sandwich throwing incident has sparked a heated debate in the heart of Washington, D.C., and it's not your typical lunchtime squabble. Sean Charles Dunn, a man who threw a sandwich at a federal agent, has become an unexpected symbol of defiance. But at what cost? #SandwichGate. The trial of Sean Dunn, a former Justice Department employee, has begun, and it's causing quite a stir. Dunn's act of throwing a sandwich at a Customs and Border Protection agent outside a nightclub has gone viral. But the story is far from ordinary. This incident occurred on the same weekend that President Donald Trump deployed federal agents and National Guard troops to assist with police patrols in the city, a move that has divided opinions. But here's where it gets controversial. Dunn's actions were initially seen as a protest against Trump's law enforcement surge, earning him a following. However, federal prosecutors argue that Dunn broke the law, and the case has made its way to court. The city, already tense due to Trump's federal takeover, is now the backdrop for this intriguing trial. The prosecution's challenge is evident. A grand jury refused to indict Dunn on felony assault, and the U.S. Attorney's Office had to settle for a misdemeanor charge. As if that wasn't enough, murals praising Dunn's sandwich-throwing act appeared overnight, turning him into a local hero for some. U.S. District Judge Carl Nichols, appointed by Trump himself, acknowledged the case's uniqueness, predicting a swift trial. But the defense isn't backing down. They argue that Dunn is a victim of selective prosecution, pointing to the political nature of the incident and the White House's involvement in raiding Dunn's home. The defense's argument is compelling. Dunn's lawyers question why Trump's Justice Department is pursuing this case when the president pardoned individuals involved in the Capitol riots. Is it because Dunn's politics differ from the administration's? This question lingers in the air, inviting debate. Prosecutors, however, maintain that Dunn's political beliefs don't grant him immunity from assault charges. They have a point, but it's a delicate balance between free speech and unlawful actions. As the trial unfolds, the public is left wondering, is Dunn a lawbreaker or a political dissident? The jury selection process, shrouded in white noise, adds to the mystery. Dunn's attorneys push for transparency, but the judge disagrees. And this is the part most people miss, the fine line between protest and crime. What do you think? Is Dunn a hero or a lawbreaker? Should political beliefs influence prosecution? Share your thoughts below, and let's spark a thoughtful discussion.